Engine, engine number 9, when it is ready, it will shine. Engine, engine number 9, then we will ride on the Mumbai line. Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's drawing class. We are going to draw an engine. So let's start. For this, first of all, we will draw a circle. Okay, then a straight line over here. Draw with light hands, okay? Then okay. Now draw a curve like this. Then the wheels. Again one circle. Like this. Okay. Like this. Then a small window like this. Okay, now we are going to make the face, a cute face. Now we are going to color our engine. So, but before coloring, we will use black sketch pen for outline. So let's start. Dear students, it's time to color this engine. So let's make it colorful. So for this we are taking red, blue, black, yellow and green crayons. So let's start. First we will start with coloring the face. For this we have used yellow color. So let's start. Now red color. blue color for this. Then we are using green color. Now a circle with black color, and fill this with black color. Okay. Then this part also with green. Now black color again for this. For this part we are using black color. Fill it properly, neatly. These wheels are of black color. Fill this with black color. Now this part with red color. Now blue color. Let's color the smoke with black color. Now let's draw the tracks. For this we are using black sketch pen. Dear kids, here I have used two shades of green color for the grass. Okay, dark green and light green. Now let's make few clouds. And let's color this with blue color, sky blue color. So my dear kids, now our engine is ready to run. So you have to draw and color the same engine in your drawing copy. Okay? And that's all for today's drawing class. Thank you and have a good day.